Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're doing something a little different, something that I know many of you have been asking for. We're stepping inside the world of tiny living, but with a serious upgrade. Forget everything you thought you knew about small spaces, because this modern tiny house on wheels with wooden siding is about to blow your mind. Just look at it. Isn't it stunning? The first thing that catches your eye is that beautiful wooden siding. It gives the house such a warm, inviting, and natural feel, perfectly blending with almost any landscape. It's not just about aesthetics though. Wood is a fantastic insulator, making this tiny home cozy in winter and cool in summer. And the craftsmanship, absolutely impeccable. Every plank, every corner, speaks of quality and attention to detail. Now, if you think the exterior is impressive, just wait until you step inside. This is where the magic truly happens. Prepare yourselves for a calm and modern interior design that redefines tiny living. Welcome to paradise. As you can see, the moment you walk in, you're greeted by an incredible sense of space and tranquility. This isn't just a tiny house, it's a meticulously designed sanctuary. The overall aesthetic is one of calm and modern interior design, featuring clean lines, a neutral color palette, and a thoughtful use of textures. There's no clutter, no unnecessary frills, just pure, functional elegance. One of the most remarkable features of this home is how incredibly well lit the room is. Look at these windows. They are strategically placed to maximize natural light throughout the day. Even on a slightly overcast day like today, the entire space is bathed in a soft, inviting glow. This isn't just about brightness, it's about creating an atmosphere that feels expansive and uplifting. Artificial lighting is also cleverly integrated, providing warm ambient light for the evenings without being intrusive. Every corner feels bright and airy, making the space feel much larger than its actual footprint. Here in the kitchen, you see the same commitment to calm and modern interior design. Sleek countertops, minimalist cabinetry, and high-efficiency appliances are all seamlessly integrated, and again, the lighting. Even here, where functionality is key, the space remains incredibly well lit. Cooking here would be an absolute joy, with all the natural light streaming in. Up here, we have the cozy sleeping loft. Even this compact area maintains that signature calm and modern interior design. And yes, you guessed it, it's also wonderfully well lit thanks to a cleverly placed skylight and an additional window. Imagine waking up to the gentle sunlight or falling asleep under the stars. This tiny house proves that living small doesn't mean sacrificing comfort, style, or functionality. In fact, it's quite the opposite. With its stunning wooden siding, serene calm and modern interior design, and the way the room has well lit from every angle, this home offers a truly elevated living experience. It's a testament to smart design and a mindful approach to living, and look at this. One of the most striking features of this home is how incredibly well lit the room is. The architects really understood the power of natural light. These large windows aren't just for a view, they are essential design elements. They flood the entire space with sunlight, making the room feel far more expansive than its actual size. Even on a cloudy day, the house remains bright and airy. The thoughtful placement of recessed lighting and subtle lamps ensures that this feeling of brightness continues long after the sun goes down. There are no dark corners, here just a continuous flow of light that energizes the space. Now, let's talk about one of the most brilliant features of this home, the light. One of the biggest challenges in tiny living is preventing a space from feeling cramped or dark. But here, the architects have absolutely nailed it. This room is so incredibly well lit. The windows are not just for a view. They are essential design elements. They are strategically placed and generously sized to flood the entire space with natural light throughout the day. Even on a slightly overcast day like today, the room feels bright, airy, and expansive. The light bounces off the light-colored walls, making the space feel much larger than its actual footprint. And for the evenings, the artificial lighting is just as thoughtful. Recessed lights and a beautiful, minimalist fixture provide a warm, ambient glow that maintains that sense of calm. There are no dark corners, no shadows, just a continuous flow of light that energizes the entire home. This kitchen is a perfect example of the principles at play. It's a functional space that doesn't compromise on style. Sleek countertops, minimalist cabinetry, and high-efficiency appliances are all integrated seamlessly. The design is simple, elegant, and completely functional. And once again, it's wonderfully well lit, thanks to the strategically placed windows and under-cabinet lighting. Every piece has its place, reinforcing that sense of order and tranquility that defines the home's design. This home proves that you don't need a lot of square footage to have a beautiful life. A well-designed interior, like this one, can offer a deep sense of peace and contentment that you might not find in a much larger space. The combination of its beautiful calm and modern interior design and the fact that the room is so perfectly well lit from every angle transforms a small space into a truly luxurious living experience. This isn't just a small space, it's a masterclass in calm and modern interior design. The walls are a soft, neutral white, and the floors are a beautiful light wood, creating a seamless and open feel. Every piece of furniture, from the minimalist sofa to the sleek, built-in storage, has been chosen with purpose. It's about living with intention, where every object has its place and contributes to the serene atmosphere. The true magic, however, lies in how incredibly well lit the room is. Massive windows and a cleverly placed skylight flood the entire space with natural light, making it feel expansive and airy. The light bounces off the light-colored surfaces, eliminating any shadows and ensuring that even on a cloudy day, this home feels bright and welcoming. This is a perfect example of a modern tiny house interior that prioritizes both beauty and function. The design is all about simplicity and elegance, featuring a calm and modern interior design with clean lines and a minimalist aesthetic. There are no cluttered shelves or unnecessary knickknacks. Everything is streamlined and purposeful, but what really elevates this space is the lighting. You can immediately see how well lit the room is. The large, thoughtfully positioned windows not only offer stunning views, but also bathe the interior in a constant, natural glow. This abundant light makes the small footprint feel vast, creating a connection to the outdoors that is so crucial for well-being. It's a testament to the idea that a space can feel both cozy and open at the same time. This home proves that living small doesn't mean sacrificing style or comfort. The design is a beautiful expression of a calm and modern interior design philosophy. The color palette is so soothing. Think soft grays, warm wood tones, and hints of green from a few carefully chosen plants. The furniture is multifunctional and built to last, showcasing incredible craftsmanship. But the most striking feature, without a doubt, is the light. The room is so unbelievably well lit. The designers have used a combination of floor-to-ceiling windows and recessed lighting to eliminate any sense of claustrophobia. The walls are a serene off-white, complemented by natural wood accents on the ceiling and cabinetry. The furniture is low-profile and sleek, inviting you to sit down and relax. It's a space that encourages mindfulness and simplicity. And notice how well lit the room is. This isn't just about having windows. It's about the deliberate placement of every light source.